Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Thyroid health is crucial for our overall well-being, yet it often goes overlooked. The thyroid gland regulates our metabolism, energy levels, and mood. When the thyroid is not functioning optimally, it can lead to a host of health issues, including weight gain, fatigue, and mood swings. In this video, we will explore how functional medicine can help address thyroid issues, specifically hyperthyroidism, and how incorporating vitamin A and a suitable diet can benefit your thyroid health. Functional medicine takes a holistic approach to healthcare, focusing on treating the root cause of health issues rather than just the symptoms. Regarding thyroid health, functional medicine practitioners look at the body as a whole, considering factors such as diet, lifestyle, and stress levels that can impact thyroid function. By addressing these underlying issues, functional medicine can help restore balance to the thyroid gland and improve overall well-being. Now let's discuss hyperthyroidism, a condition in which the thyroid gland produces an excess of thyroid hormones. This can lead to symptoms such as weight loss, rapid heartbeat, and anxiety. Managing hyperthyroidism involves not only addressing the excess hormone production, but also supporting the thyroid gland with essential nutrients like vitamin A. Vitamin A is a powerful antioxidant that is crucial to thyroid function. It helps regulate the production of thyroid hormones and supports the overall health of the thyroid gland. Incorporating vitamin A-rich foods into your diet, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens, can help support your thyroid health and improve symptoms of hyperthyroidism. In addition to vitamin A, maintaining a balanced diet is essential for managing hyperthyroidism. Avoiding foods high in iodine, such as seaweed and iodized salt, can help reduce thyroid hormone production. Instead, focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to support your thyroid health and overall well-being. Stay tuned to learn more about optimizing your thyroid health with functional medicine, vitamin A, and a healthy diet. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Hyperthyroidism is a condition characterized by an overactive thyroid gland, leading to an excess production of thyroid hormones. This hormonal imbalance can significantly affect the body's overall function and well-being. The thyroid gland in the neck plays a crucial role in regulating metabolism, energy levels, and other essential bodily functions. When the thyroid gland becomes overactive, it can disrupt these processes and result in various symptoms. Individuals with hyperthyroidism often experience a variety of symptoms that can impact their daily lives. Common symptoms include unexplained weight loss, increased appetite, rapid heartbeat, tremors, and anxiety. These symptoms can vary in severity and may worsen over time if left untreated. Hyperthyroidism can also affect mental health, leading to mood swings, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. The causes of hyperthyroidism can vary, with the most common being Graves' disease. In this autoimmune disorder, the immune system mistakenly attacks the thyroid gland, causing it to produce excess hormones. Other potential causes include thyroid nodules, thyroiditis, and certain medications. Regardless of the underlying cause, hyperthyroidism can have a profound impact on the thyroid gland itself. When the thyroid gland is overactive, it can become enlarged and inflamed, a condition known as goiter. The excess production of thyroid hormones can also lead to long-term effects on the thyroid gland, such as thyroid nodules or even thyroid cancer in some cases. It is essential to address hyperthyroidism promptly to prevent further damage to the thyroid gland and to manage symptoms effectively. By understanding the symptoms, causes, and impact of hyperthyroidism on the thyroid gland, individuals can take proactive steps to manage their condition and support their thyroid health. Stay tuned to learn more about treatment options and lifestyle changes that can help manage hyperthyroidism effectively. Functional medicine offers a unique and holistic approach to managing hyperthyroidism and improving thyroid function. Unlike traditional medical practices that often focus on treating symptoms with medication, functional medicine delves deeper into the root causes of health issues to promote long-term healing and wellness. By addressing the underlying imbalances in the body, functional medicine can help restore balance to the thyroid gland and support overall thyroid health. At the core of functional medicine are principles that emphasize treating the whole person, not just the symptoms. This approach considers factors such as diet, lifestyle, genetics, and environmental influences that can impact thyroid function. By taking a comprehensive view of an individual's health, functional medicine practitioners can develop personalized treatment plans tailored to each patient's specific needs. While conventional medicine may rely on medication to suppress thyroid hormone production in cases of hyperthyroidism, functional medicine aims to rebalance the body's systems to support optimal thyroid function naturally. One of the key benefits of incorporating functional medicine in thyroid care is the emphasis on personalized and integrative approaches to treatment. Functional medicine practitioners work closely with patients to identify potential triggers for thyroid dysfunction, such as nutrient deficiencies, hormonal imbalances, or environmental toxins. Functional medicine can help improve thyroid function and overall well-being by addressing these underlying factors. Additionally, functional medicine strongly emphasizes lifestyle modifications, including dietary changes, stress management techniques, and targeted supplementation to support thyroid health. By empowering patients to take an active role in their health and well-being, functional medicine can help individuals better manage their thyroid condition and improve their overall health. In the next segment, we will explore specific strategies and interventions used in functional medicine to manage hyperthyroidism and optimize thyroid function. Stay tuned to learn more about how functional medicine can help you take control of your thyroid health and well-being. Vitamin A is crucial in supporting thyroid health and function, making it an essential nutrient for optimal thyroid function. This fat-soluble vitamin is involved in various processes within the body, including immune function, vision, and cell growth. Regarding thyroid health, vitamin A is particularly important for supporting thyroid hormone production and regulation. One key role of vitamin A in maintaining thyroid health is its involvement in the production of thyroid hormones. Thyroid hormones, such as thyroxine, T4, and triiodothyronine, T3, regulate metabolism, energy levels, and overall bodily functions. Vitamin A helps convert T4 to the more active T3 hormone, ensuring proper thyroid function and metabolic balance. In addition to its role in hormone production, vitamin A also acts as an antioxidant, protecting the thyroid gland from oxidative stress and inflammation. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, vitamin A helps maintain the health and integrity of thyroid cells, reducing the risk of damage and dysfunction. Vitamin A is found in both animal-derived sources, such as liver, eggs, and dairy products, and plant-based sources like carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. Consuming a varied diet rich in vitamin A-containing foods can help ensure adequate intake of this essential nutrient for optimal thyroid function. The recommended daily intake of vitamin A for adults is around 700-900 micrograms per day for men and 600-700 micrograms per day for women. However, individual needs may vary based on age, gender, and overall health status. It is essential to consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist to determine the appropriate vitamin A dosage for your specific needs and to ensure you meet your daily requirements for optimal thyroid health. In the following segment, we will explore how incorporating vitamin A-rich foods into your diet can help support thyroid health and improve symptoms of hyperthyroidism. Stay tuned to learn more about the benefits of vitamin A for thyroid health and how you can optimize your thyroid function naturally. Maintaining a balanced and nutrient-rich diet is essential for individuals with hyperthyroidism to support thyroid health and manage symptoms effectively. A diet tailored to address the specific needs of individuals with hyperthyroidism can help optimize thyroid function and promote overall well-being. Foods rich in selenium, zinc, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids are particularly beneficial for thyroid health. Selenium in particular plays a crucial role in thyroid hormone metabolism and can help reduce inflammation in the thyroid gland. Incorporating foods such as Brazil nuts, seafood, lean meats, eggs, and dairy products can help ensure adequate selenium intake and other essential nutrients for thyroid health. Additionally, including sources of omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, can help reduce inflammation and support thyroid function. Meal ideas for a hyperthyroidism-friendly diet may include nutrient-dense salads with leafy greens, vegetables, and lean protein sources like grilled chicken or tofu. Smoothies made with spinach, berries, and nut butter can provide a quick and nutritious option for breakfast or snacks. Incorporating whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats can help stabilize blood sugar levels and provide sustained energy throughout the day. For individuals with hyperthyroidism, it is crucial to limit or avoid foods high in iodine, such as seaweed, iodized salt, and seafood, as they can exacerbate thyroid hormone production. Instead, focus on a balanced diet of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats to support thyroid health and overall well-being. In the upcoming segment, We will explore specific meal ideas and recipes tailored for individuals with hyperthyroidism to help optimize their diet and support thyroid function. Stay tuned to learn more about creating a hyperthyroidism-friendly diet plan to promote thyroid health naturally. Prioritizing thyroid health through proper nutrition and functional medicine can significantly impact overall well-being. You can support thyroid function and manage symptoms effectively by incorporating vitamin A-rich foods and following a balanced diet tailored for hyperthyroidism. Additionally, embracing the principles of functional medicine can help address the root causes of hyperthyroidism and promote long-term healing and wellness. Vitamin A is crucial in supporting thyroid health by aiding in hormone production and protecting the thyroid gland from oxidative stress. Functional medicine offers a holistic approach to managing hyperthyroidism by addressing the underlying imbalances in the body that contribute to thyroid dysfunction. By working with a functional medicine practitioner to develop a personalized treatment plan, you can take proactive steps toward improving your thyroid health and well-being. Please prioritize your thyroid health and take proactive steps toward improving your well-being. Please take action today and make your thyroid health a priority. By making informed choices about your nutrition, seeking holistic approaches to managing hyperthyroidism, and advocating for your well-being, you can empower yourself to live a healthier and more vibrant life. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards better thyroid health. Remember, your health is in your hands.